Part 2, Sunday the 25th at almost 9 a.m. Got a couple of feet of snow, or a couple inches of snow. Nothing too bad. Let's see what these chickens do when I try to open the door. Nope. Chickens are a little confused with the snow.
Next morning during the snowstorm, it's still snowing. But it's pretty. The only ones that ventured out today were some of the ducks, geese, and turkeys. These guys are pretty cool.
Just following itself. Done?
Yeah,
And I guess I went on the right angle.
you did.